Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Shapiyit Kami, but Kikubo, Baman Kasmi.
Kaseng Indian National Congress kala parti red Hamighalaya tang hakashikhlep mad hadien bakhat arwut ki MLA jongka kila phet bande yaso no sha kaseng Trinamool Congress mentak arpsan tarik nai wing ar hajar ar huai unoya lam ka Congress ubadairu menteri rang ba barem gajalau Dr. Mukul Sangma lembat khatwai ngut ki wai pat ki MLA kila pentikina balami no anakani ka parti ka barem tam ha India bande rung shati MC ka Congress ka badon khat nyongut ki MLA kasa satang san ngut
the responsibility that is vested upon us and our ability to really fully and optimally utilize this potentiality that we have in serving the people, serving the state, serving the nation. Are we being able to fully, optimally utilize our efficiency in sync with the commitment that we have towards serving the people, serving the state, serving the nation, towards protecting the vulnerable, towards ensuring a kind of ecosystem across our socio-political spectrum, that people have reasons to believe in the vibrancy of our democracy. And when we look at that angle, we have to look at that angle from two perspectives. One is when we are in the government, when we receive the mandate to be able to govern. That means a mandate to form a government. Or otherwise, when we get a mandate to sit in the opposition. Now, if you are looking at the prevailing political situation in the state, in the northeastern region, and across the country, what do you see? Are you seeing an effective role being played by the opposition to be able to really make the BJP run for the money? Are BJP, NDA government for that matter, is NDA government going to be unseated by what we do? Are we really doing justice to the space that we occupy as opposition? Justice towards the people, towards the nation. Because even if we are in opposition, we have to fulfill our responsibility as opposition. And therefore we have tried to see how we can have a course correction. We have had number of endeavor, collective engagement. But when we see that things are not going to happen, we have to further explore. And this exploration did not happen only for a day or two. So this decision did not happen overnight. So the search for an answer, the answer to give us that kind of assurance that yes, we will be able to fully, effectively, optimally utilize our response, the space that we have, the space that we occupy as opposition, and serve the people. Therefore, this decision ultimately is a culmination of long run. If you revisit the past, 2018, and also the whole political scenario that culminated into 2018 general election, what do you see? You will see that as Indian National Congress, as a political party, in spite of being in power, why we could not retain the government? Why we could not get the kind of mandate that people were willing to give us? It is precisely because of these reasons why I say there is a need for course correction. Revisiting the past and analyzing the reasons for our failures must be a big lesson for us so that we don't repeat such mistakes. But this is not happening, this was not happening. That's why the search.
Do you think that the TMCC Mamata Banerjee?
That's why any political leader who have demonstrated the commitment towards serving the state, serving the nation, we must take cognizance of that intent. And if we take cognizance of that intent, then we must also look at whether then we can amplify their effort and aggregate our strength together towards achieving that goal as a nation. And then you will have to look at, okay, then how this particular commitment, which revolves around the leadership, we are referring to Mamata Didi, how this can be further amplified by aggregating our, as political parties or members belonging to different political parties, and align ourselves, aggregate our strength to achieve that shared objective. to be honest to our intent, to our deeds, not by lip service. And therefore, time has come for our distinguished leaders across the region, across the nation, to look at this, what we have demonstrated through our exhaustive long-run due diligence, must be a message to all other friends. And I'm sure people will definitely